So we do a variety of product here at D&K. We are doing boat trailers, dump trucks, we do industrial equipment, a lot of farm equipment, and we're able to do these large items due to the capacity that we have with our ovens and with our paint booths. Our oven and paint booth is 12 foot tall, 20 foot wide, and 45 foot in length. So anything that goes on a trailer, semi-trailer, and can go down the road, we can paint that here at D&K. Also, we paint small items and artwork and anything actually, a lot of railings, construction. So it's really a good variety here. The day's never the same. Powder coating isn't really new in the industry, but there's not a lot of people that have experience with that. That's not an issue at all. We train here. We have really good training on our painting, and there's a lot of growth here. Our paint manager used to be a painter. Our supervisors used to hang parts. So we like to promote within, and the training comes naturally to us. We have a lot of experience here, and so that don't deter people from applying. We do train and we can teach you how to paint and blast. So D&K is a great place to work. We have a great team, positive attitudes, dependable people. We get to work on a variety of products throughout the day, and every day is different. A lot of cool stuff, great customers. We get to work with our customers. They like working with us. And it's just a fun place to be. It's a big team. We're one big family. The biggest thing is you really need to have a good attitude and be a team player and be dependable and come to work on time. Those two things really are the biggest things that it takes to be a D&K employee. You got to work your whole life. You might as well try to have some fun doing it. And we get to see a lot of cool things come through. And we learn things every day, new products. It's just a great place to be. We just have a good time, one big family.